Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. My name is Sivalena Chisoriari, and on my Facebook page, I usually share opportunities that is going to help you make money without paying for registration. Now, when I say making money, don't think it is free. You still have a lot of roles to play. You need to first of all register. You need to sign in every day. Then, if you have friends, you need to also invite them. Okay, in as much as this thing is free, they are not just going to dash you money. You have to work for it. Now in this video, I want to take you through how to register on the MePass platform. The MePass platform has been on for a while. A lot of persons have been on it making money. All right, and this platform pays you in MEC, and 1 MEC is up to $4. So not to waste our time, I'll just go straight into the registration so we can see how it is done. All right, so this is an app. Okay, this is an app, so you can go on Play Store to download it, but you will also be needing a registration, an invitation code. Okay, so I'm going to remove my browser from desktop site like I just did, and I'm going to try to register here. Now this is how it looks like. Let me refresh. Okay, now I'm going to put in my email and create my password, and I'm going to continue this video. Okay, so I've added my email, and I'm going to complete the security verification. Okay, so they know that I am a human. All right, so the code is going to be sent to my mail. I'm going to add the code, set my password, and I'm going to continue this video. So this is what the app looks like. Okay, I'm going to click on install and make sure to install it into my phone. So not to waste our time, I'm going to pause this video and continue. All right, so I've completely booked registration. Okay, so they say congratulations, booked successfully, free airdrop reward, gain permanent unconditional basic income. So they are asking me to install the app, and I'm going to install the app and continue this video. All right, so the app is successfully downloaded, and this is what I am just going to do. Okay, so I'm going to input my email. I'm also going to input my password. All right, so they're asking me if I have a wallet. Okay, so I don't have a wallet because this account is new. Okay, I do not have a wallet, and I'm just going to tell them that, oh, I don't have a wallet for this. So I'm going to click I don't have a wallet. Then I'm going to input my passcode, and I'm going to continue. Right, so I have registered, I've logged into the account. Okay, like you can see that this account is completely new, so you can close it. So let me also explain how this account works. So on this record is where you get access to all your information, your daily signing, people you invite, or any transaction that occurs in your app. This DAP is used to sell your MEC. Then I just did my ID verification, so you can use your NIN, the voter's card, or your international passport. Then this asset, this is where we usually sign in, but the system is currently under upgrade, so they are not allowing us to sign in for now. Okay, however, you still need to check in every day, log into the app every day, so they know that there's activity ongoing. Don't just leave it like that. All right, so this is all for this video. So if you're having issues registering, do not just click on the link. Copy the link and take to a browser. This link, I copied it and took it to a browser because some person are telling me they don't have that Nigeria is not listed as part of the country. Okay, so I had to register a new account immediately using someone's phone because I already have an account and I can't have two accounts. I registered using someone's phone, and what I did was I copied the link. I copied the registration link and I took it to a browser. So don't click on it, copy the link, take it to a browser. If in case you clicked on it and it is showing you that Nigeria is not there, it means you need to do it from scratch. So thank you for watching this video. See my other videos. Bye for now. Don't forget to also like this video, leave a comment, follow me for more opportunities. Thank you.